Drowning in deadlines, let's transform that chaos into a streamlined, productive workflow using ClickUp's powerful calendar features in just 90 seconds. First, find the calendar icon in your ClickUp sidebar. It usually sits right below your notifications. Click it to open your calendar view. Now, let's explore the views ClickUp provides for main calendar views: day, for a focus on your daily tasks; week, for a broader picture; month, giving a full overview; and agenda, which lists tasks chronologically. Creating a task is super easy. Just click on any date within the calendar, and a Create Task window pops up. Add your task name, set the due date, and assign it to a team member. Want to sync your Google Calendar or Outlook calendar? Head over to the calendar settings, usually found in the top right corner, and connect your other calendars for a complete schedule. Need to reschedule? Simply drag and drop your tasks to a new date. ClickUp makes rearranging deadlines a breeze. Filter specific tasks using the filter icon. This is extremely helpful. Let's say you want to view a specific assignee or status. ClickUp allows you to filter by assignee, status, or even list. To visually organize your schedule, use color coding. You can set different colors for different task statuses or priorities, making it easy to identify key tasks at a glance. Find this feature in the Settings tab. That's it. By mastering these features, ClickUp's calendar tool becomes your secret weapon to staying organized, meeting deadlines, and boosting your team's efficiency. Start scheduling smarter, not harder.